turn up. You better be there when I shoot.
So while I'm on vacation, breaking up everything to different days. So yesterday was the airport vlog. Go check it out. It was informative. It takes about 3 flights to get out here, and the last one's a mini flight. So check that video out, and then we're gonna jump into today's vlog.
You have the lock right here. You have the lock on your golf cart?
Alright, so this is the apartment, I guess you want to say we're renting. Supposed to be a villa, it's apartment. Yeah. The key, I opened it, it's just another, yeah. That's what I'm doing. Yeah. Oh, let me charge my phone. Hold on. It's kind of interesting painting. So this place has some good, you know what, I'm gonna just focus on the good, y'all. So anyway, this beer is popular out here apparently, so we're gonna try it. I should unpack.
So where's my case?
The one thing that I do want to say, I know I'm supposed to talk about everything positive.
Everybody watches you.
I know, but so
You don't leave my suitcase.
the owners are living next door.
Let's go put our feet in the water.
All right. Turn it off. So the owners and their entire family lives next door to where we're at, and I feel like I walked over just to see because I'm being nosy, and they have monitors everywhere. I'm like,
Her knee. The owner. Hey,
anyway, take a shot. Basically, we're censored. And another thing I wanted to say, I made a post about what happened at the, when we got extorted. Everybody told me to stop talking about it. I mean, they didn't say stop talking about it. They said just, you know, let it go because it's a poor country. And they said that what did they say? Our money is like double out. Anyway, but the guy was trying to say like he doesn't have a salary, explaining himself why he needs this money. But anyway, all I'm saying is, you know, we're just gonna live our life.
what? Actually, you didn't tell them nothing.
We were started. So
I don't live my life.
literally everybody asks us for money here. Everybody at the airport. If somebody help you with your bag, they want money.
They stand there like.
And then first if they stand there and they notice you see them stand there, you don't give me money, they bring it up. Like the guy was like, so you don't like my service? I'm like, what? But mind you, we've been giving money to everyone since we've been out here. Literally everyone we've been handing out money to. You got them where your wrist?
Yeah. You got 3 bags? I got 3.
So yeah, anyway, we went to something to eat. As you can see, literally is no stop signs. Nobody cares about anyone. Like the drive-in, I was getting a little anxiety.
You were.
I'm like, oh my god, like.
You driving me crazy.
I know, and like she, in the airplane, y'all. It's a mini flight that we have to take over the water. They give you 2 options. You can just take a ferry, which is a boat, a small little rowboat, over the water, or you can fly over the water. We chose to fly. I forget people can hear me. I don't like that. I don't like to be censored. But anyway, let's watch some TV or something. So we'll go downstairs to be social.
We're ready.
All right. So we're gonna make the best of this trip, y'all.
Oh,
Yeah, that's why I.
oh, vegans don't drink wine.
They really like.
I have, yeah, you can. Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, girl.
Yes, we are in it.
Think of it, it's like the real.
This is real vacation. Y'all not ready.
All right, let's record when we get there, but yeah.
We have a villa on the beach.
We are living our lives.
Okay, I got.
All right, so we about to go to the dog house. It's literally walking distance from where we're at, and literally everywhere is golf carts. So if you come out here, you can rent a golf cart.
Hey, this is cute on those golf carts.
I love it. It's so cute and quaint. Okay,
So we're separated.
all right. So I placed an order. Me and my mom ordered some pizza, and then we're gonna give them some food later. So we ordered some pizza. This is a cute little area. Like, the only thing is, I feel like it's copyright music. I'm gonna talk freely to you guys tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow. When I get back to my room, I'll talk freely, but it's not copyright music right now. Okay, so we got pizza. No, they're not. They're literally next door. It's good though. This wind is not it, but we're heading out. It's cute though.
I'm hoping mine don't flood up by tomorrow. Right.
Yeah, down water. Alright, we're going back to our room. You see how dirty this water looks, so murky? It's called sarcasm. I didn't know that, I never knew. But yeah, we're walking back to our room. Literally our room is right here. And we're about to just chill. I'm gonna go live. So if you're following me, you already know what's up. Come back soon. That's cute. But tomorrow we have a full day of fun. Woohoo! Full day, yes. This way, right? Yeah. Right. This is so crazy. Everybody drives these. They don't really have cars.